Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be styling my breakfast nook. So I am going to use these Dollar Tree plates. I am in love with blue and white. It doesn't matter the type, the style. I like French toile. I also like chinoiserie, the tail, and these are no exceptions from the Dollar Tree. I also in my setup, these are some of the pieces that I am going to be using to do my setup. The bowls, I just think they are exceptional, and for Dollar Tree, great quality. I could not pass them up. The napkins actually is the kitchen towels. I am also going to be using them in a different styling coming up. I only bought 2 of the dinner plates and I think like 12 of the other plates. Now you could also combine the blue plates that Dollar Tree have with the blue and white. It will be a nice contrast and it also will, lend for a different look. So the pedestal, the gold pedestal, I got them from Dollar General after Christmas sale. The blue and white soup spoon, that was a purchase from a warehouse. This jar that I'm showing you actually is the cake dome. That was a light fixture. The mat bills came from Ross, I think, and I had them a few years now. Each of my cake domes were light fixtures that I am now using in a different capacity. So stay tuned. Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. This channel is a lifestyle, travel, home decor, shopping, and much, much more. Stay tuned. See what I have for you today. So again, here is the mirror that I'm going to distress, and I am not gonna bring in the black with it. I think each mirror will, once you do it, none will be exactly like each other. So what I'm showing you now is the mirror. I had a longer piece cut, and I want to pull in some of the gold. As you know, I painted my chairs. I also painted the table and the china cabinet, and they all have that gold to it. So that's what I'm trying to do. Here are the dishes again. I'm going to use all of these pieces in some capacity in that area. Here are some of the napkins that I will use. The gold pedestal, that was a Dollar General find. I have 2 of them. The books, somehow I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you 2 different styles. What I'm actually going for is like a clean look. I don't want anything that is fussy. So my fuss will come from my things, but not the actual styling. Here is the mirror before, and I want to style my china cabinet also. So this is the way it's looking. That was also painted by me, a little DIY. Here is a setup that I'm showing you right here. That will be an everyday setup for my buffet. I've grown to like displays and in styling, so that's what I'm going to do. Here are some of the pieces that I'm going to put in on top of my china cabinet. The 2 black pedestal, they're cake stands. I thrifted them, and I have a glass to go over them. So now I'm going to dust this area. This is a little box that I built for a little elevation, little height. I used it once or twice in my decor and styling. These dishes right here was given to me by my husband's mother when we went to Israel. And here is what I did with the styling off on top of the cabinet. See, I bring a little pop of yellow into it, some greenery. The blue and white is represented even inside of the china cabinet. So I am loving it so far. I have a little bit of rusticness, and here is my table. I Love my table. This was a DIY by me. The same distress mirror, I cut every individual piece and put it on that table. So this piece here is finish the finished product of where I distressed the mirror. Just a little bit of gold. It actually a brighter gold, but the camera is not doing it justice. So guys, I'm going to just go ahead and style, and I'll just play music, and I may come back at the end. So please enjoy.
I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like ants now high.
I was off guard, I know I'm the one to blame. Lured me into danger just like mushroom to a flame. I used to hiding from the pretty little thing. How the hell could I imagine you would cause me pain? I hit against the wall, and I can't avoid the fall. I should have noticed something wasn't right, it wasn't right. And now I'll pay the price, I pay for price, I pay for price. The Big Bang Theory, beautiful catastrophe. And now my life is upside down. Paralyzed me, made me act like stupid. And now my life is upside down. Never knew I'd lose my youth just following your track, while the entire world was blowing up behind my back. That is just cause I've been madly longing for the one. The more I try, the less it's working. Well, that's it, I'm done. I hit against the wall, and I can't avoid the fall. Should have noticed something wasn't right, it wasn't right. And now I pay the price, I pay for price, I pay for price. Big Bang Theory, beautiful catastrophe. And now my life is upside down. Paralyzed me, made me act like stupid. And now my life is upside down. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Yeah. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away. Big Bang Theory, beautiful catastrophe. And now my life is upside down. Paralyze me, make me act like stupid. Now my life is upside down. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. me into danger just like mushroom to a flame. I used to hide him from the pretty little thing. How the hell could I imagine you would cause me pain? I hit against the wall, and I can't avoid the fall. I should have noticed something wasn't right, wasn't right. And now I'll pay the price, I pay for price, I pay for price. The Big Bang Theory, beautiful catastrophe, and now my life is upside down. Paralyzed me, made me act like stupid, and now my life is upside down. Never knew I'd lose my youth just following your track, while the entire world was blowing up behind my back. That is just cause I've been madly longing for the one. The more I try, the less it's working. Well, that's it, I'm done. I hit against the wall, and I can't avoid the fall. I should have noticed something wasn't right, it wasn't right. Now I pay the price, I pay for price, I pay for price. Big Bang Theory, beautiful catastrophe, and now my life is upside down. Paralyzed me, made me act like stupid, and now my life is upside down. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Yeah. Stay away from me. Stay away from me.